how to sign off for the Audible affiliate program. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So in this video I'll show you exactly how to join the Audible affiliate program so you can start making money by sharing audiobooks you love. Whether you are a vlogger, YouTuber, or just someone with a social following, this tutorial will walk you through step by step. So, to become a Audible affiliate, you need to first join the Amazon Associates. For that, go ahead and open up your browser and then in the search bar simply search for affiliate-program.amazon.com. Once you search for it, this is the interface that you're gonna see in your screen. From your screen, go ahead and simply tap on sign up. It is free, so it only takes a few minutes. So you want to go ahead and simply tap on create account. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and simply tap on sign in. So inside here, you want to go ahead and fill in the required details, your name, address, and your account number. Also add your website or YouTube channel. This is where you'll be promoting the Audible. Amazon wants to know how you will drive traffic, so be honest but strategic. Now once your basic account is set up, choose how you want to get paid, bank transfer or Amazon gift card or check. Fill in your tax information as this is required before you start earning. Once inside your Amazon Associate dashboard, you can go ahead and simply tap on Bounty Program section, click on Audible membership, copy your unique affiliate link for the Audible free trial or paid membership. This is the link you'll share in your content, social media or website. And now you are ready to promote Audible. You'll earn $5 for every Audible free trial sign up, $10 for every paid membership, plus small commission for individual audiobook purchases. And that's it. You're now an official Audible affiliate. And that ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.